Then I can't sleep without turning on the air conditioner.
I'm just bored and not hot at all.
Just look for trouble. I don't want to fight with you in the middle of the night.
If you can sleep, sleep half of it. Are you sick? Don't go forward.
I'm convinced by you. I'll close the window and let you open it later, okay or not? What are you doing?
You only have one and you can't even wait.
I'm driving now.
Open now. Eat less canned food next month. Too much text for you. I opened.
Still don't believe it.
Waiting for the wind to come out. You haven't left yet. Listen to the wind and leave. Are you coming back for dinner?